What's going on, everybody? For today's video, I have this brand new for 2024 Deluxe Colossal Snowman Inflatable. This particular inflatable is 25 feet tall, and it's sold at the at-home store for $329. And at being 25 feet tall, this is the tallest inflatable Jimmy has ever made. I believe there will also be a Grinch inflatable sold on HalloweenCostumes.com. That's 25 feet as well. So yeah, those two are the tallest inflatables Jimmy has ever made. And like usual, At Home is selling a bunch of Colossal inflatables. They will be selling a 20-foot tree, a 20-foot reindeer, a 20-foot snowman, a 20-foot Santa, a 19-foot Grinch, a 20-foot Santa and Mrs. Claus, Colossal scene, and yeah, a bunch of other inflatables as well. So definitely check out At Home if you have one near you. And the box this comes in, it's definitely the biggest box for any inflatable At Home it will be selling this year. As you can see here, compared to the average person, it's just a massive inflatable. If you don't have the space for this, I would highly recommend not getting it. Definitely requires a little bit of space. And this doesn't come in a bag for anybody wondering about that. But luckily, this does come with a bunch of stakes and tethers. I'll show a video of what exactly they look like out of this bag. But yeah, and here's a very interesting note Jimmy provides. Do not inflate this in high winds and extreme weather conditions is basically what this says. Yeah, definitely follow that advice. If it's above 10 miles an hour, I would highly recommend not inflating this. And as you can see here, Jimmy provides a bunch of stakes and tethers. I believe there's 8 of these black plastic stakes and 8 tethers, and some of these twisty stakes, as I like to call them. So yeah, definitely a bunch of stakes and tethers, which is a welcome sight to see. And here it is out of the box. I would highly recommend staking this down completely before you even put it up, even for temporary use. It's definitely a very large inflatable. You definitely want to stake it down. And here it is, the 25-foot Snowman inflatable. As you can see here, it's definitely a very tall inflatable. It's definitely a very imposing inflatable in person. I would definitely say it's recognizable and noticeable that it's a taller inflatable than 20 feet. I might do a comparison in the future to show you the differences between the 20-foot Snowman inflatable that's at home this year and this. But as you can see here, this snowman's holding a candy cane in one hand and a present in the other. And it looks to be some peppermint, I guess you could say, wrap on that present he's holding. So definitely a nice detail there. And I was hoping this inflatable would have actually 2 motors, but only has one. It's a YF125, so it does not have a YF200. The YF125 does a fine job inflating this, though. It just takes a very long time. Especially for this price, I would have expected a YF200. So it is unfortunate. And there's 4 tether points on this inflatable. On this side, there's one on the bottom part of the snowman here, and then one higher up on his jacket, and that carries over on the other side. Yeah, definitely use all the stakes that Jimmy provides. If you can get some better stakes for the base of the motor than the small metal stakes, I would highly recommend doing so. Some U-shaped landscape stakes are what I use, and they work great. But yeah, other than those small metal stakes that Jimmy provides, they're basically useless. The other stakes they provide, especially those large spiral stakes, are definitely useful. And the tethers they use are definitely useful. They're high quality tethers. And as you can see here, there's a zipper all the way up there. So I believe that's 2 zippers on this inflatable. It's definitely a large inflatable. You're definitely going to want to watch when you put this up. Do not put this up in high wind, bad weather conditions. The one good thing about this particular inflatable is, unlike previous year's Snowman family or the Santa Mrs. Claus, it's not too wide, so you definitely don't need, in terms of width, the space for it in your display, just height alone. So if you're comparing this to the Santa Mrs. Claus and you're concerned about space in your display in terms of width, definitely pick this one. As you can see here, the C7s do a great job illuminating this 25-foot Snowman inflatable. You can clearly make out the present and the candy cane. and the jacket that the snowman's wearing. Compared to the other 20-foot or taller snowman inflatables that Jimmy has made in the past, I think this looks the best out of all of them. I like the design of this one a lot more than last year's and this year's 20-foot snowman that's at home, and the previous version and the one that I was on and still is on Yard Inflatables. I think this looks the best out of all of them. My hope is that Jimmy can make a 30-foot tall inflatable in the near future. Obviously, that's going to be very expensive. Might require 2 motors, for example, or a YF200. So it's going to increase the cost. It probably would only be available at a store like At Home or an online exclusive. But hopefully next year they do come out with that. It might take Jimmy a few years. But yeah, if this one's definitely popular, you could definitely see Jimmy making a 30-foot inflatable, and hopefully more stores, and not just At Home, keep purchasing and asking for 25-foot inflatables. And like I showed you earlier, Jimmy has just made a 25-foot Grinch inflatable as well. So this isn't just the only 25-foot tall inflatable this year from Jimmy. I was hoping to see a 25-foot Santa. I think this would have went well with that. Hopefully, at the very least, Jimmy makes a 25-foot Santa next year, and a bunch of 25-footers, a 25-foot reindeer, 25-foot tree. I think that'd be great. With that being said, I think this is the best inflatable At Home is selling this year. The Santa and Mrs. Claus inflatable, it's a pretty cool design too, but I would definitely want to pick this one up if you're looking or comparing the two, just because of its height alone. But yeah, if you're looking at getting this, it's currently available online. I would highly recommend getting it before it sells out, definitely before Black Friday. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.